Hey there, wisdom seekers. Life doesn't always go as planned, does it? But what if instead of resisting our fate, we embraced it wholeheartedly? That's the essence of Amor Fati, and it's at the heart of Philippe's story in The Intouchables. Based on a true story, this movie is more than entertainment. It's a Stoic lesson in action. When a devastating accident changes Philippe's life, he has every reason to feel bitter. Yet instead of wallowing in self-pity, he chooses to embrace his new reality. With Driss by his side, a caregiver who brings humor and authenticity into his life, Philippe discovers that joy isn't about changing the hand you're dealt, but about playing it well. Epictetus's wisdom, accept whatever happens, comes alive in Philippe's journey. His courage to live fully, despite his limitations, shows us the transformative power of acceptance. Amor Fati isn't just about enduring life's hardships, it's about turning them into opportunities for growth, connection, and even laughter. If you've ever struggled to make peace with life's challenges, The Intouchables is a must-watch. Let it inspire you to love your fate and find courage in every moment. Like and subscribe to The Heroic Stoic for more lessons that inspire resilience and joy. See you soon.